Knowing when to disappear can come in handy. What's that crunching sound? No, this chocolate's mine! Good luck finding me now! I swear I heard something over here. Lily, watch out for the locker! I knew it! Tricks like these are great. You've just gotta be extra sneaky. Unlike birthdays, there are some days we dread, like test day. Better study up, girls. Is this even in English? Nope, up you go. Bella, you can sleep when you're dead. How do I memorize all this? Uh-oh, brain fart. I think I actually get this stuff. Those answers are beautiful. I'm not sharing these. You can get them yourself. Bella's being so selfish. Forgot these. I can't believe her. She throws her trash away out front. Of course. I just have to go get that paper. I just have to be really quiet. I'm so close to the door. Wait a sec. Never mind. And I'm out. Huh? What was that? Weird, but whatever. Yes! But I can't fit in there. I've got to get it out of here.
Get up! That thing came out of nowhere.
Sheesh. Sorry, sir. And now for my disguise. Watch closely. Step into the large trash bag, then pull it all the way up and kneel down inside. Oh, shoes untied. That could have been a disaster. Bingo! I got him! Something feels off. I can't believe that trick worked!
Think these muscles still work? Come on, triceps, let's go! Muscles, activate! Yes!
Thinking of keeping candy in the house? Then you'd better find a good hiding spot. No one would suspect the couch, right? Nice! I saw Bella bring candy in here. I'm definitely close. I knew it. Come to mama. Yummy! Just hanging out. Not sticking candy in my desk drawer. Definitely smelling sugar in here. But where could it be? This desk is hollow, isn't it? Hello, sweet little morsels. Yes! Is the kitchen too obvious? What about the cabinets? Hello! That won't work either. How can I hide this stuff? What am I supposed to do with mayo? Actually, this is kinda brilliant. Wanna hide your candy? Snag a jar of mayonnaise like this and empty it out. Now spray paint the inside. Done! Now you can't see whatever's inside. Perfect! Don't forget the lid. Is this hack great or what? See you soon, Candy! Lily's coming. Is that chocolate I smell? It's awfully faint. I can't quite get a good read. Sucker. Maybe it's in the fridge. Don't see anything. Just boring old groceries. You won the battle, not the war. I can't believe it actually worked! You hang tight in there, little guys. Don't Don't you just adore old love stories? I want a happy ending like that. Hey! It's my book. If you say so. Want to show me your texts? So we both have our secrets. What? Lily's texting with my sweet Kevin? Oh, Kevin is so going down. Oh, come on, delete. What? I'm coming. Let's see what's so funny. I can't get in. Come on, open. This is hopeless. Unless I employ my spy skills. It's showtime. Here's the file for Lana. Nope. Oh, here's Kevin's file. Could he be any cuter? Love you, baby. Oh, here. Hello, Lily. Let's get down to business. It recognized her face. Wait, this text is from Kevin. Kevin wants to throw a party for me? Gah! She's coming back. Gotta get these files out of here. Okay, I'm back. I love you, Lily. I love you too, Bella. Yes, I am the princess of everything. Little does Lily know, a big surprise is waiting for her. I just have one thing left to do. Phew, she's still asleep. I can't wait for her to see the surprise. Just a few more steps. Huh? What is all that over there? There. Oh no! Man, that was a close one. I sure hope she likes these heels. I want a peek. Look! She's putting something in a box. But I can barely see what's in it. If only I had X-ray vision. It's the wrong pink. Hey, maybe I have something under here. Oh, what's hiding there? Ooh, my favorite little unicorn! My candy, definitely saving those for later. Wait a sec, what's this pipe doing under here? Think it'll help me see any better? I know! You'll need a pipe and a piece like this one. Take a small mirror and put hot glue on its back side. Before it dries, stick it flat inside the corner piece. Pull the pipe close and snag another identical corner piece. In the end, it should look like this. Time to use this bad boy. Look at those amazing shoes! I can't believe those are for me! Thank you, thank you, thank you! Can I try them on? This is the best birthday ever! Nothing makes a bold statement quite like a nice, juicy pimple. What you guys talking about? Hello? What's with them? Oh, hello, Kevin.
Hi, Bella.
You guys watched the game last night? Ugh, that story sounds crazy. Nobody wants to talk to me? Fine. You guys think you're too cool for me? I'll just entertain myself then. I have better things to listen to anyway. Wait, these wireless earbuds and my smartphone. Want to do some eavesdropping? Turn the AirPods on. Now go to a place you can't be seen. I'd better keep going. Here we go. Now put the phone close to what you want to hear. Now scoot away, carefully. I can hear everything they're saying. This gossip is juicy. Wait, they're talking about me? I don't have a giant zit! What are you guys talking about?
You're spying on us?
Maybe this pimple's making me smarter. Sometimes you just gotta laugh, right? These spy hacks were pretty sneaky, huh? Which one would you try on your friends first? Share this video with your friends to let them in on your little secrets. Have you watched these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on all the awesome hacks and tricks.